Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a 6x12 we just got in stock. Stock number 14838. This is a 2019 Cargo Craft in a black blackout 6x12 trailer. So this trailer will measure 12 feet of total length from the tip of the V to the back. This one is in the black with the black out package. Gives you guys the black diamond plate rock guard all along the bottom, and then you've got the nice black V-nose guard as well, so good for rock protection there. Extended triple tube tongue, great turning radius with this unit, and that triple tube tongue makes the trailers pull really well. Side door does have a double lock protection on it with the RV lock and cam bar that you guys can see right there. You've also got a nice gutter over that side door. Now this one's insulated with windows. It also has power and AC, so that's going to give you guys an exterior GFI outlet located right there in that box. 3,500 pound axle. You also have a 15-inch tire with an aluminum wheel and black diamond plate fender with this unit, and then side vents and stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Now this one also has a really cool recessed light bars in the side, so you guys will have some great light off this side of the trailer. And rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close. You also have the black diamond plate wrap around this rear door jamb, which I love. LED strip tail lights, couple of LED load lights here off the back as well, which is going to give you guys some great light to be able to see what you're doing at night to load and unload. Here's a shot of this side of the trailer, and then again we've got insulated walls and ceiling with an aluminum wall and ceiling liner inside here. 7-foot interior height as well, and then you guys can see there's two of those 18x44 slider windows with screens right there. They are tinted, they are lockable, and you can open up the screen, so great option. And then we've got our awesome nudo floor. This is a performance nudo floor. It does have this black surface coating here on top, which is extremely durable, and underneath is Drymax. Drymax is a product that does not absorb any water or moisture, and that's also on the underneath side of the trailer, so great upgrade there over your standard wood floor. 4 D-rings in the floor as well, ready to go for some tie down points. And then of course you've got recessed E-track in each of the walls, great for bunks or whatever you guys want to do there. It looks like 4 interior outlets, so you guys can see. You're going to use this, come inside a little bit closer here so you guys can see. 30 amp service and plug, so you've got this nice 30 amp box. You take that cord, pop it right through the floor into your generator or your extension cord, and that's going to power up all of your interior outlets for you guys, as well as your overhead AC unit with a heat strip, and then those 2 big 4-foot LEDs along the ceiling. Now you also have a built-in battery right here, which is that box right there. That's going to run your puck lights for you and your load lights, so you guys don't have to be plugged into a vehicle to get some interior light on inside the trailer, and then you also don't need it to have exterior light, which is a nice option. And then backside of the RV lock gives you guys a lock, a latch, and a set of keys to your door. And then there's your light switches right there. Those are going to work your 2 exterior party lights and your pucks. And then you've got one here at the rear, which is going to work your overhead spots. So here it is. Amazing trailer. Lots of different options in here for you guys and features, and we've got this unit priced at $87.77 plus tax. Give us a call if you're in the market for a new trailer. We would love to earn your business. We also have shipping options available for you guys. We ship all over the country all the time. We've got a great transporter that runs for amazing rates, so give us a call if you guys don't live near us. We'll get you a shipping quote as well, and you can reach us at 303-688-8485 or check out our inventory online at coloradotrailersinc.com.